It's 2021. Finally! Sure, the year 2020 had its opportunities, but we think it's fair to say that, overall, it was a year full of lemons. Lots and lots and lots of lemons. And yeah, we know 2021 isn't going to be overflowing with daisies. But it's time to take 2020's lemons and make them into lemonade. Lemonade. It's time to come up with more than goals and resolutions this year. It's time to come up with plans. A plan to buy 3 rental properties. A plan to triple your cash flow. A plan to get out of your expensive hard money loan and into a much cheaper long-term loan. Let's not wallow in fear and uncertainty in 2021. Let's look on the bright side. In good times, bad times, and in between times, someone will always make money. Why not you? So come on, let's chat about your goals and a plan to achieve them in 2021. Good loans, good people, good business. That's what Investor Real Estate Loans is all about.